Understanding standard input and output.
The standard input is the stream from which a program reads data, usually coming from the keyboard. Standard output is where a program sends its results, typically the terminal screen. Redirecting these streams in the command line lets you control where programs get their data or send their results, making it easier to automate coding tasks and process files efficiently.
Redirecting output with the greater than symbol.
Using the greater than symbol allows you to send command output to a file rather than the screen. For example, running ls greater than files.txt writes the output of the ls command to a file named files.txt. If the file exists, its contents will be replaced. This simple redirection technique is widely used in coding and automation.
Appending output instead of overwriting.
To add output to an existing file without erasing its current contents, use the greater than symbol, $.2. For example, echo hello notes.txt adds the word hello to the end of notes.txt. This is especially useful when logging results or collecting data from multiple commands in a single file.
Redirecting input with the less than symbol.
Redirecting input lets you feed a program data from a file instead of typing it yourself. Use the less than symbol for this purpose. For example, sort at data.txt reads lines from data.txt and sorts them. This method streamlines coding projects that process information stored in files.
Chaining commands with pipes.
Pipes, represented by the vertical bar, allow the output of one command to become the input of another. For instance, cat file.txt grep keyword displays lines in file.txt that contain the specified keyword. Chaining commands with pipes is a powerful feature for automating and transforming data on the command line.